In this video, I will be showing you AI indicator that can help you predict price of any financial markets, whether it's stock, forex, indices, or crypto. In this past years, artificial intelligence has helped many traders to make a very good financial percentage in their trading career. So in this video, we has decided to share with you the best and most used AI indicator that can make you very profitable in the market. This indicator that I'm about to share with you has 97% win rate. This indicator backtest its prediction and also learned from its backtest, and it also show you the result of its prediction. So stick to very end of this video because I'm going to share in details how to use this indicator. Not only that, but also going to show example on how you can enter a trade with this indicator. But before we go into the video, please use some of your time to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without any delays, let's dive in the video. The indicator that we are going to be discussing about is called machine learning. As a trader, you have once or twice heard about machine learning indicator or AI indicator. But in this video, we are going to be discussing about a particular machine learning indicator called Lorentzian classification created by Justin DeHorty. A Lorentzian distance classifier is a machine learning classification algorithm capable of categorizing historical data from a multi-dimensional feature space. This indicator demonstrates how Lorentzian classification can also be used to predict the direction of future price movements, when used as the distance metric for a novel implementation of an approximate nearest neighbors algorithm. To add this indicator on our chart, let's navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for machine learning. Select the one made by DeHorty. Let's talk on how the indicator works, but before that, let's set the indicator for more understanding of it. Then go to the indicator setting. On the input setting, make sure you set max bars back to 2000. This 2000 max bars backs means that the indicator is going to backtest and make its prediction based on the past 2000 candlesticks. Looking at right corner of our trading view, you can see the trading status of this indicator, the win rate and also how many trade that it have took. And also looking at the chart, you can see that the indicator has three features, which are the moving average, the red and the green icons, and lastly the numbers. Let's explain these features for more understanding of it. The moving average, this is an estimate based on the kernel regression using a relative quadratic kernel. It also serves as additional confirmation to the model's prediction, and this moving average changes from red when price is in downtrend to green when price is on uptrend. The green and red icon, this intensity of the signal color is proportional to the model confidence. Suggested exit points can also be toggled on via the setting menu. Strict exits are based on the training interval of the model, whereas dynamic exits make suggestion based on real-time kernel regression. The green icon means buy and the red means sell. Understanding on how this indicator works, let's see how we can enter a trade using this indicator. Looking at the chart, you see that the moving average has turned green and also it is trading below the candles, which tells us that price is on uptrend. And the indicator numeric has calculated its algorithm, giving us the green icon, which gives us more confirmation to enter a trade. Then we can enter a trade immediately after the close of the candlestick that has the green icon on it. Setting our stop loss outside the moving average and targeting at least 2 risk-rewards ratio. Also on downtrend, you see that the moving average is above the candles and its color is red, telling you that price is in downtrend. And the indicator numeric has done its calculations, giving us red icon. Then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss above the moving average and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. Even if you miss this trade, when this indicator gives signal. Let me tell you how you can enter trade after the signal. All you need to do when you see that price is on downtrend and it has given a sell signal is to wait and see a retracement to the moving average, and after the close of the candle that rejects the moving average, you can enter a trade. Setting your stop loss to the previous high and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. to avoid all this false signals given by the indicator and have more confirmation. Let's add another indicator called EMA. To add this indicator on our chart, let's navigate to the indicator search bar and search for EMA. Select moving average exponential. After that, let's go to the indicator setting. There on the input setting, set the length to 100 and leave others to default. On the style setting, set the color to any color of your choice, but here we are going to choose yellow for more visibility in the chart. On how this indicator works is that it serves as more confirmation, and when price is on downtrend, the moving average exponential will be above the candle, and when it is in uptrend, the moving average will be below the candle. Let's see how we use the machine learning and the moving average exponential to enter a trade. For instance, you see that the machine learning has presented us with a sell signal, and we check the moving average exponential to see if it is above the candles for more confirmation, and if it is, we will wait to see price rejecting on it before we enter a trade. On seeing that price has reject on it, we can enter a trade immediately after the bearish candle that bounced on it. Setting our stop loss some pips above the moving average exponential and targeting to risk-reward ratio. Also in uptrend, the machine learning presented us with buy signal. And on looking at the moving average exponential to see if it is below the candle for more confirmation, and if it is, then we wait to see price rejecting on it before we enter a trade. On seeing that price has reject on it, we can enter a trade after the bullish candle that bounced on it, setting our stop loss some pips below the moving average exponential and targeting at least 2 risk-reward ratio. As we have come to the end of the video, if you have any questions, leave it on the comment section. We will be very glad to answer them. And also remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, see you on our next video.